So listen, Nick, I'm kind of worried about buying this property. I feel like there's some repairs that need to be done, and I just don't really feel comfortable with this purchase.
Citra, we got you. Not to worry. This house here is coming with a 12-month warranty. All major and minor repairs have been done. We're actually going to give you a full clean report. Second thing, you get a 12-month warranty up to $15,000 in coverage. Wow. That's going to cover you on all your appliances, any repairs that need to get done to your furnace or air conditioning unit, garage door openers. There's a whole bunch of coverage that's going to get transferred over to you guys, to you guys, to you guys, to you guys.
Why did we pay for dinner?
I don't remember.
You have to be able
You know what, Nick? I like this house. I want to get it. You got a deal.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.